Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to Linktree. This process is straightforward and ensures your audience can easily send you payments or donations. First, navigate to your Linktree admin page. You'll need your PayPal, Me link, or a direct PayPal payment link handy. This method is universally recognized and the most efficient way to integrate PayPal with your Linktree profile, taking just a few moments to set up. Once on your Linktree dashboard, locate and click the Add Link button. This will open a new link entry field. Carefully paste your PayPal, Me, or direct PayPal payment URL into the designated URL box. It's crucial to use the correct link to ensure transactions are successful. Next, give your link a descriptive title like Support Me or Donate Here, making it clear to your followers what the link is for. After adding your link, you have options to customize its appearance. You can add a compelling thumbnail image to your PayPal link, making it more visually engaging for your audience. Linktree also offers a prioritize feature, which can make your PayPal link more prominent on your profile, drawing more attention to it. Always double-check that your link title and any optional description are clear, concise, and professional, guiding your visitors effectively. The final, crucial step is to test your new PayPal link. First, ensure you save all your changes within the Linktree editor. Then, open your public Linktree profile in a new browser tab or on your mobile device. Click on the PayPal link you just added to confirm it correctly redirects to your PayPal, Me page, or the intended payment portal. Once verified, you can confidently share your updated Linktree profile, knowing your payment link is fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.